Hello people and welcome back to DashCam channel, a channel that features only the greatest and most epic road moments captured on drivers' dashcams. We'll start today's episode off with a crazy crash in which the driver lost his car totally.
Hey!
Angry Karen moved to the left from the right turn lane only and cut right in front of the camera. On top of that, she even flipped him off.
She thinks she's letting people over there.
JD.
She was she flipped me off. You saw that, didn't you?
That.
She was wrong.
In this video, we have a crazy driver who was tailgating the cyclist for no reason at all. But that's not all. He almost hit him as he passed by, and it came to a heated road rage.
Change lanes, asshole! IA49BB!
Bike lane, asshole.
It's not a bike lane! Call PBSO, it's not a bike lane! No thanks, I'm not your mom! I'm not your mom, I'm not you! Roads.
Camera was just minding his own business, but this crazy driver cut right in front of him simply to make a right-hand turn. Every car in traffic is legally supposed to move to the side for any emergency vehicles. And this driver thinks otherwise, because he was blocking an ambulance vehicle, because he felt oh so self-entitled. It's understandably dangerous to merge in these kind of circumstances, but it's also incredibly dangerous and crazy to merge like this truck driver here. Check this one out.
In 0.2 miles, keep to the left on I-70.
And this is a clear example of what happens when you run a red light. Luckily, no one was injured, even though it looked really serious and dangerous. This is the second time in 4 months that this driver got hit, and all because other drivers simply are not paying attention on the road and are texting and driving.
Okay, Garmin. Say video. Say video.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would mean a lot to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And until the next episode, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open, guys.